You trust these guys?
Yeah, I'm not Skylar.
My son's like,
Hey, Snappy.
So let me give you a little bit of backstory about this. Got a friend from Snappy McGee, heard through the biking community that there was this R6 being neglected out here in the cold, the freezing winter. So Snappy did his research. Sure enough, we found this bike, an R6. I think it's a 2000. So the goal is to go in there with minimal casualties as possible and extract the bike, put it in a truck, and get it to a good home to a new owner. So that's where we're at. Stay tuned. All right, very minimal casualties. Bike's in here. I'm glad through the biking community you can save this bike.
yeah.
Neglected out here in the cold. Yes, it's going to go to a nice home. So with the intel, do we know what year this bike is?
I think it's a 2000.
Oh, look, it's even got bug guts on it. All right, let's get that out of here. All right. My side? There's too much weight on the bike. Snappy.
Tommy's fat.
Maybe one on each side. I'll push from the back. Which ramp are we taking, the left or the right?
Oh, right.
The right? There you go. We're good. Do you want to bounce the back over a bit?
Yeah.
I can do that. Let me get up here.
Slide it. I got the front brake on.
Oh my God, we could have carried this thing. Seriously.
It's super light.
Yeah.
Okay, we can come forward with that if you want. Okay, bodywork made of tissue paper.
Why does it have a butt plug? Why does it have a butt plug?
What? You complain about my plug?
No, don't pull yet. Hold on.
Not going.
Sorry. Sorry, Greg. I have to bleep. I can't get my arm in. I know my arm's stuck.
Is your arm stuck?
You out?
Oh, yeah, I'm out now. Hold on. If you hate motorcycles, this is what you do.
If you hate motorcycles.
Or if you're rebuilding a bike from the top down or from the bottom up, this is how you ruin it, and you start over.
Okay. Got it? I got it, Cam.
Okay. You're back. He did.
There it is.
And this is why you don't wrap motorcycles, because when it's near the engine, they get hot, and then it bubbles, and it peels, and it looks like... You don't take them apart? No. You're a truck driver. You don't know how to put a strap on?
Oh, hey, no.
Oh, I didn't mean it that way.
You trust these guys?
Yeah, I'm not Skylar.
My son's like,
Hey, Snappy.
Alright.
No, get that straight, and then grab me the end.
And this is how you don't strap in a bike.
No, not at all.
No.
I mean, what the hell is this? Just something like fishing knot?
No.
Looks like a fishing
Gord.
knot.
Here, I'll show Gord something. Look, you do the end, and then when you take it off, you just do that. It comes off.
Gotcha. I thought it was some kind of a fancy fishing knot, man.
It is, technically.
Oh.
You just loop it through, right?
Look at you go, eh?
Okay. And then you do this.
You're
and
a
then
rock
you do
star.
the last one, you pull it, and it comes undone.
You're a rock star. I don't care what Rose says.
So we got the bike on the way back to the house. It's in the back of that pickup truck over there. Dirty screen. Hopefully you can see that okay.
there we go.
Okay. If you can grab the back, Brandon, or the side.
You want me to hold the brake?
I'm going to come down so everybody's not going to let it fall over. I don't want to grab front brakes, it might skid out.
Why is it not moving?
I've got the brake on.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, I'm going to let it go. 1, 2, 3. It's going. You got it? You got it? Get it? Get it?
Okay, put it in the Dexter shed.
I hope it is. It's going to be slow-mo read.
I've never seen Dexter.
Hello! Woo! Welcome to your new home. Your new home. So this is it. It's final resting place for the winter. Right next to the Triumph. Right next to the Duke. I think it's in good company. It's got a little bit of carnage. So a little bit of work. Pretty cool bike. If you stuck around this long in the video, thanks for checking it out. And if you would like, subscribe and like, you know, all that stuff. Anyways, Ciao for now. Peace out. Stay reckless, my friends. Bye-bye.